Hello everyone, here is week 6, the vocabulary module. So this week we are going to be going over, of course, our regular check-in. We've got some readings. We've got Gunnings, chapter 10, and we're actually going to do, hopefully we're going to get through this in class so that you can kind of see about the vocabulary chapter that's there. And then we also have a reading that I have uploaded. And this is actually a chart too. This is uploaded as well to the module. So those are just two helpful readings. Then we will, I'm just going to go over a bit about English language learners and literacy. And then we're going to do a vocabulary activity. The idea of this activity is that this is going to set you up for doing your lesson plan because you will be talking about things. So around vocabulary. So we're looking for the grade level, ability level, and IP goals, different topics, and then what is the prior knowledge students need to have, and how can you measure or assess that the students have learned the topic. And we're going to use the Gunning text as a platform for creating this activity. So here's all the different types of vocabulary activities that are available, and then we'll just do some group presentations. The lesson plan portfolio, I went over that last week. You know that there's 4 lesson plans that you're going to be putting in this, one on vocabulary, comprehension, fluency, and writing. And we will be going over how to adapt a lesson, so whether it could be the one that you create in this class, or it could be one online or in another book that you have. How to use the depth of knowledge chart from Web to help you create your learning objectives. How to use the Universal Design for Learning principles. And then here is the lesson plan template, and we'll be going over this in class and just kind of talking about how we can fill it out and hopefully get a lot of that done in class. And using the UDL checklist. We will have a short break, and then we'll go into assessments. So now hopefully you'll have some of your assessments done, at least from your the student that you're doing your case study from. And so you'll be going through, and based on these formal and informal assessments, we're going to find some evidence-based practices to help your student on your caseload that you're doing the case report on. So we'll talk about what that means, and then we'll do some research to find these evidence-based practices, and then we'll start putting together an intervention if we have time. And so hopefully we will get to this place where we can start planning a 4-week intervention for helping your student achieve whatever necessary goal or skill that they need to achieve. Our what's next is you'll be turning in our assignment for this week, and you can see here is the PowerPoint that I'll be going through in class. Here's the readings, the Videsi and the depth of knowledge, Webb's depth of knowledge, and then of course Gunning chapter 10. And then here is the vocabulary development reading intervention class activity. So that will help you just kind of get through the vocabulary activity that we're doing in class. This is where you're going to be working on your vocabulary development lesson plan, and I have 2 pieces that you need for this. So one is the checklist, the other one is for UDL checklist, the other one is the skeleton for the lesson planning. And then also, hopefully, we will be able to get through this, and you'll be able to turn in your reading intervention report 1 and part of part 2. And so we'll kind of take the temperature during class and see if we're able to get that done. But all of these pieces are here, and I even wrote down now which week you can find the lesson in. And then next week we'll be doing the reading comprehension module, and that's online, and I'll make that available next week. So if you have any questions, please let me know, and I will continue to support you. Thank you, and have a great day.